Learn English with YourInstill.
Dialogue 10. Going to the doctor. Hello. How are you today?
Hi, doctor. I'm not feeling well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
How long have you been feeling this way?
It started 2 days ago.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so. I feel hot and tired.
Let me check your temperature. Please sit still.
Okay.
Your temperature is a bit high. Do you have a cough?
Yes, I cough a lot, especially at night.
Are you taking any medicine?
No, not yet. I just drank some tea.
That's good. I'll give you some medicine for the fever and cough.
Thank you, doctor. Do I need to rest?
Yes, rest is very important. Drink plenty of water, too.
Should I stay home from work?
Yes, you should rest at home for a few days.
How long will it take to feel better?
You should start to feel better in 3 to 4 days with rest and medicine.
Thank you, doctor. Is there anything else I need to do?
If your symptoms get worse, please come back to see me.
Okay, I will. Can I take the medicine with food?
Yes, take it with food to avoid stomach upset.
Got it. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Thanks, doctor. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Jake.
Hi, Jake. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too. Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved here last week.
Welcome. Do you like it here?
Yes, it's nice. I'm still learning my way around.
I can show you around if you'd like.
That would be great. Thank you.
No problem. So, what do you like to do?
I like reading and hiking. How about you?
I like sports and movies.
Cool. What's your favorite movie?
I love action movies. What about you?
I like comedies. They make me laugh.
Me too. Maybe we can watch a movie sometime.
That sounds fun. Let's plan it soon.
Great. It was nice meeting you, Jake.
Nice meeting you too, Emma. See you soon.
See you. Number 2. Do you remember me?
Hi. Excuse me, do you remember me?
Oh, hi. You look familiar. Are you from my English class?
Yes, I'm Alex. We sat next to each other.
Oh, Alex. Now I remember. I'm Lisa.
Yes, I remember. How have you been, Lisa?
I've been good, thanks. And you?
I'm good. It's nice to see you again. It's been a while.
Yes, it has. How is your English?
It's getting better. I keep practicing. How about you?
Same here. I practice every day.
Do you still go to the English class?
No, I finished last year. Are you still taking classes?
Yes, I'm in the advanced class now. It's a bit harder.
That's great. I might join that class too. Is it good?
Yes, the teacher is helpful, but there is a lot of homework.
I don't mind homework. It helps me improve.
True. Do you study with anyone?
Sometimes I study with friends. Do you?
Yes, I study with a friend. It helps a lot.
Maybe we can study together sometime?
I'd like that. It would be fun to practice together.
Yes, let's plan for next week.
Perfect. Let's exchange numbers.
Great. Here's my number.
Thanks. I'll text you soon. Nice to see you again, Lisa.
Nice to see you too, Alex. See you next week.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.